On the sun-baked plains of Tarain in 1191, a clash of titans unfolded, altering the course of Indian history. Two mighty forces stood poised for battle. The ambitious Ghurids, led by the cunning Sultan Shahab Uddin Ghurid, and the resolute Rajput army, commanded by the valiant Prithviraj Chauhan, the Lion of Ajmer. Born in 1166, Prithviraj Chauhan ascended the throne of Ajmer at a young age, inheriting a vast kingdom stretching from the fertile plains of Thanesar to the vibrant city of Jahazpur. He quickly established himself as a capable ruler, expanding his territory and forging alliances with other Rajput kingdoms. However, a dark cloud loomed on the horizon. The Ghurids, a Turkic dynasty driven by territorial ambitions, were setting their sights on India. Shahab Uddin Ghurid, undeterred by Prithviraj's rising power, led a formidable army across the Indus River in 1191. With an estimated 120,000 soldiers, the Ghurids boasted superior numbers and cavalry archers renowned for their swiftness and accuracy. Prithviraj, however, was not one to be easily intimidated. He meticulously planned his strategy, leveraging his knowledge of the terrain and utilizing his estimated 20,000 cavalry and 25,000 infantry to their full potential. The key element of his strategy was the deployment of war elephants, armored and wielding swords, which caused havoc within the Ghurid ranks. The battle raged for hours, the clang of swords and the cries of warriors echoing across the battlefield. But Prithviraj's tactical brilliance and the ferocious Rajput charge proved decisive. The Ghurids, overwhelmed and demoralized, were forced to retreat, leaving behind a trail of death and defeat. The First Battle of Tarain was a resounding victory for Prithviraj, solidifying his position as a hero and symbol of Rajput resistance. Shahab Uddin Ghurid, consumed by vengeance and determined to reclaim his lost honor, returned a year later with an even larger and more disciplined army, estimated to be around 300,000 strong. He had learned from his mistakes, adopting new formations and tactics to counter the Rajputs' reliance on elephants. The Second Battle of Tarain, fought in 1192, was a brutal affair marked by relentless attacks and fierce resistance. Prithviraj fought with the courage of a lion, leading his troops from the heart of the battle. Despite their valor, the Rajputs were slowly overwhelmed by the sheer weight of the Ghurid numbers. In the midst of the chaos, Prithviraj was captured. He refused to surrender, choosing to die a warrior's death rather than submit to the Ghurids. His fall marked a turning point in the battle, leading to a decisive Ghurid victory. The fall of Prithviraj Chauhan marked the end of an era. The Ghurids established the Delhi Sultanate, ushering in centuries of Islamic rule in India. Hindu kingdoms were weakened, and the cultural landscape underwent a significant transformation. However, Prithviraj's legacy refused to fade. He became a symbol of courage, resistance, and Rajput pride. His story continues to be recounted in ballads and poems, inspiring generations of Indians. After Muhammad of Ghor's death, his lieutenant, Qutbuddin Aibek, declared himself Sultan of Delhi in 1206. This move officially marked the beginning of the Delhi Sultanate. Aibek was a capable ruler who consolidated Ghurid control in northern India and expanded the territory further, capturing cities like Gwalior and Meerut. Aibek, determined to honor the legacy of his mentor, embarked on a relentless campaign of expansion. He captured key cities like Lahore and Delhi, pushing further south and consolidating Ghurid control over vast territories. He was not only a skilled warrior, but also a shrewd politician, forging alliances with local rulers and Rajput chiefs to appease regional sentiments and secure his hold on the land. Recognizing the need for a stable administrative system, Aibek introduced the Ikta system, a land grant policy that rewarded military commanders in exchange for their service. This system not only strengthened the Sultanate's military might, but also created a sense of ownership within the ranks, encouraging loyalty and commitment. Aibak's decision to declare Delhi as the capital of his sultanate was a well-calculated move driven by strategic, political, economic, and cultural considerations. This choice played a significant role in consolidating the Sultanate's power and shaping the course of Delhi's history. After the establishment of Delhi Sultanate, the city of Delhi remained seat of power for over 700 years by different Muslim dynasties. In 1526, after the Battle of Panipat, Zahir-ud-Din Babar conquered Delhi and ended the 300 years rule of Sultanate and established the great Mughal Empire.